Beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, great clear view. I'm not even talking about myself. This interior doesn't even need my commentary. Remember, these are two-bedroom houses, or you can call them two-bedroom master Ensuite with size 94 square meters, pricing at 10.3 million Kenya shillings at Capital Gardens. So, as you can see, these are the videos, snippets of the videos I took yesterday when I was here. This living area looking so nice. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous. Eish. Even you feel good taking some videos from here because they look so stunning. So this is the living area where you can have yourself, your seat over there. You are exposed to the balcony on that side. So from this balcony you can be looking at the great Kilimani in Nairobi. So this is located in Kilimani, Nairobi. Hey, that's about 55-inch TV. You can be seeing some podcasts over there. You can be looking at our videos at Sphere in YouTube, Instagram, and also in TikTok. Yeah, tuko kila pahali. That's what they say. So we are having a tour to this two-bedroom. Let's look at this master bedroom. Let's see what it entails. Hey, this beautiful 5x6 bed, king bed. Yeah, looking so nice. The colors here and so demure, una feel fatty. You can feel here when you're here. So this is the master bedroom. It has its own washroom. Yeah, you can have a washroom pale. You can have a shower there. Yeah, it's like having a bigger bed sitter in your own, let's say in your own house, because it's bigger with these beautiful big looking windows. They expose much light. These lights bring to you this beautiful aura in these houses. So this house has this beautiful aura that when you're inside here, unafurahia. So from one bedroom we go to the second bedroom. Yep, it is what it is. Yeah, inakaa poa. Yeah, the beautiful windows, big windows to bring much lighting because watu penda kupule zinakaa poa. So this lighting looks so good. The wardrobes, the color, the choice of color looks so nice. Yeah, from here you can look at the ceiling, the gypsum already suited for you, the wardrobes already they done for you. So if you have your clothes watakuhamia huko kesho, you can just pack your things and come over here and enjoy. So that's where you can do your laundry. Yep, imeandikwa laundry. Yep, they even had to write it for you. No jue pahali pa kuoshea, the laundry. From there you can go this another washroom over here. So you can oga over here, can have a shower, wash your teeth, brush your teeth over there. Yeah. So from there we can go back and look at this beautiful looking so house. Good. And of course, kama kuna sahani, it means we can go to the kitchen. This is a beautiful looking kitchen. Yeah, looking so demure. So if you wanna cook some things, yeah, definitely this is the place to be. Remember, my name is Malineta and this is Sphere. You can follow us in all social media platforms at Malineta, at Sphere, or follow me at Malineta. Till next time, bye bye.